dumping leaves with the KAGE Katcher electric dumping leaf catcher is a total game changer. Available in both aluminum and steel options, the KAGE Katcher has a large 5.8 cubic foot capacity. It's compatible with all types of commercial mowers, including walk-behind, stand-on, and zero-turn mowers. You can empty the basket on the fly and return to collecting leaves without interruption. Leave the basket open to blow out the leaves into windrows for better visibility and finer chopping of the leaves. And close the basket with a simple toggle switch that magnetically mounts near the controls. The perforated open-air design of the basket enables you to gather the leaves while allowing dirt and dust to blow straight through. This electric dumping mechanism saves time as you don't have to stop to remove the basket. There's no lifting, no shaking out the basket, and no raking to cause fatigue. And the angled bottom provides an extra 5 inches of clearance for slopes and bumps. With the KAGE Katcher electric dumping leaf collector, you can spend more time enjoying the beauty of fall without the back pain associated with gathering, relocating, and dumping fallen leaves.